time for Top That Trade. Joining us today, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Uckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys, with round number one, anti-Amazon. Retail giants Home Depot and Lowe's are unaffected now by Amazonification in America. What's the better buy, HD or LOW?
Ta-da. Well, these stocks have come a long way. It's up 200% in the last 5 years. So they've already surged. I think there's more upside potential in Lowe's. It's got about a 15% measured move target from where we are here. So, you know, they've still come very far, very fast.
I'm going to take the other side of that trade. I'm going to go
You're gonna
with
short?
Home Depot. No, I'm not going to short. Actually, they're getting to the point where I might want to consider going
They're
short.
frothy. They're a little frothy.
Well, I'll tell you, but they're still in a strong uptrend.
You guys are on it today. Round number two, tide turn. What are your favorite signals? There's a trend change in the stock market.
Usually it's screaming pain. No, stop! You know, no, usually for me it is high volume and crossing stochastics. And if people don't know what stochastics are, they're like two moving averages. It gives you an idea of
So
momentum.
you're looking at a technical indicator.
I look at technical indicators a lot of times because a lot of times the technicals will lead the fundamentals.
One day does not change a trend. So you're going to get these VIX explosions. You're going to get big bounces in gold. You're going to get sell-offs in the dollar. You can use this to try and gauge where things are going. But one day is not that big deal. For me, it's not how the markets act, but it's how they react in the next few sessions of next week. So look at things on a weekly basis. Don't get tied to your TV as far as the news and every nuance. Think big picture.
Here we go with round number three, $1 trillion try. Apple, Amazon, or Alphabet? Which A is on its way?
There we go.
$1 trillion.
Then Apple.
So we're talking about the net capitalization of these stocks being $1 trillion. That's a lot of money.
Profits are secondary.
That's a lot of money.
Profits are secondary.
So Apple's gotten to 800 billion.
Right.
So, but it's up 25% so far than 2017.
Right.
So another 25% would bring it to 185, which is $1 trillion. Well,
and they're sitting on a bunch of cash, unlike Amazon that is not really making money, but they're making, they're the future.
Somebody's making money with Amazon.
And then, of course, we have...
The stock is reflecting a very optimistic outlook for the future.
Here's today's bonus round question. A multi-millionaire who's a real estate tycoon dished out advice to millennials if they want to own a home someday. What did he recommend? I'm feeling generous today. I will give you a clue. Commodities are involved.
Okay, what millennials should do, it should be a commodity, maybe a commodity index fund. How about a commodity index fund?
You're off track. You're getting very cold.
Why am I getting
All right,
cold?
so this is it. Hot coffee. Eliminate $5 coffees and avocados from your daily spending and save that money you can invest.
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
I read the news. I read the news.
Do not give up coffee. That will ruin you forever. Avocados, you could go either way.
You did it, Alan. You won. You did it.
Someone slipped me the question. Someone slipped me the question.
Great job. Business First AM continues right after this.